In this video, I'll show you how to check if your PC is using UEFI or legacy BIOS. The first method is by using the System Information app. Search for MS Info 32 and open the System Information app. Look for BIOS mode, and you'll see whether your PC is using UEFI or legacy BIOS. The second method involves checking the partition style of your disk. Right-click on the Windows Start icon and select the Disk Management tool. Locate your Windows installation disk. Right-click on it and select Properties from the context menu. Go to the Volumes tab. If the partition style is Master Boot Record, MBR, your system is using legacy BIOS. If it's GUID Partition Table, GPT, your system is using UEFI instead. Alternatively, you can quickly check the partition style using PowerShell. Right-click on the Windows Start icon and open PowerShell as administrator. Run the Get Disk command. And you'll see the partition style listed. The third method retrieves this information from the system environment variables. Open PowerShell as administrator and run this command. If it says legacy, then your system is using BIOS, and UEFI if the system is using UEFI mode. Finally, you can check directly from the BIOS setup page. To access the BIOS on a Windows computer, you typically need to press a specific key or key combination during startup. The exact key varies depending on the computer manufacturer, but common keys include F2, delete, or escape. Here's a list of common BIOS keys by brands for motherboards and laptops. Right after turn on or restart your computer, press the designated key repeatedly until you enter BIOS Setup or Boot menu. Once inside the BIOS Setup page, you'll see whether your computer is booting using UEFI or legacy BIOS. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.